guys, in today's video I'll be like telling you guys about some of the useful websites. Like there are two useful websites and three kind of like websites you can play games online. So totally we'll be having five websites. So the first website on our list is called this OnScreen.com. Okay, so what's this app gonna do is like without any green screen, it's gonna like um turn any like remove the background of any video. Okay, so you can see there's more detail over here, and they have also like put a new thing like unscreen pro. For this, most probably you'll have to like sign in or do something like, yeah, you will have to sign in or log in. Okay, it's for free. Whereas if you don't want to sign in or log in, you have to go with free clips option here. Okay, and here you'll have to like upload a video or gif to remove the background. Click on upload clip, and whichever like video you want to remove the background of, and just yeah, you can just go with just it'll open your file manager, and that's pretty simple thing like which you can do. Okay, so now let's go with a game website. Okay, so this game website is called Scribble.io. Okay, so I'm sure like you may have heard about this. So this is how the interface looks like. So you can just enter your name and just choose how you look like. You can just click on these small arrow marks over here, and so here you can see you can just click on the small arrows to just like change your eyes, how your eyes look like, how your face, and how like the color. Okay, it's like this. If you click on this dice option over here, you can like change, like they have given some pre-formatted already. You can just use that, and I prefer to use this on a laptop or a computer, because like it may like it may not you may not able to do it properly on a tablet. But if your tablet or a phone is very like, if it is bigger ones, actually like some 10-inch or something around more than that, then it's gonna be proper. Okay, and here you can see you will find two options called play and create private room, where, so I'll just explain to you. Create private room means just only your friends or your family members can join that room. Whereas if you click on play, you will find like public members who are playing this, and like, yeah, hackers or can be there. So here you can see I am first in this random room. So here you find this chat box actually, where you can enter, like they will have to draw and you have to basically guess it. Okay, I really don't know what has happened. Okay, oh, let me just go back. Yeah, looks like this. You can click on create private room, and if you click on it, it may show you an ad. Sometimes you get skip ad, sometimes you don't get it. Yeah, and here you can control the volume. Okay, and so this is just a random thing which it has put here. You can find some of the rounds, like if you want it to be like 5 rounds or 10 rounds, whatever you want you can choose. And draw time, like minimum is 30 seconds and maximum is 180 seconds. Language, whichever language you want you can choose. And custom words. Okay, if you enable this use custom words exclusively, then what's gonna happen is okay, if you click on the custom, if you just type anything like any random words, if you start the game, like say you and your friend are playing this, whatever you have typed over here in the custom words, and if you have checked this checkbox, then whatever you want, those words will be displayed. Whereas if you don't enable this, or if you don't start check this checkbox, then it's gonna give random words. Okay, you'll get three options, whichever option you want you can choose. And here you can see invite your friend. You just have to click on this link and click on play to join your room. Okay, like say if I just copy it and paste it on a new tab, if I click on play, it should work. Let's check. Here it should show. Oh yeah, you can see here another person has come. So as this one is the host, if I click on start game, you can see it shows something like this. So here I will get like, I have to choose a word over here. Like say if I click on tourist, I'll just have to type over, like draw over here, and the other person should guess it. And if the other person guesses it right, then the person who draws gets less point, whereas the person who like guesses it gets more points. Say now, you can see, so the word was tourist. I get 300 points, whereas sunburn means the other account gets 75 points. If I click on vote kick, then this person will be kicked off. Okay, if I just choose anything, and I will get an option to like or dislike that drawing. If I like that drawing, I can just click on that like, and you guys also just smash that like button below. Okay, so now here, if I click on vote kick, okay, no, okay, fine, okay, just leave that. So okay, so now let's go with the next game website, which is called doodler.io. Okay, so basically this is also another one, which is like you know the scribble.io. Okay, so there is barely any difference. If I click on play, let me show you an. So yeah, here you can see there are few people over here, and you can just draw it, like it, or can give a star over here. And if I just go, yeah, it's something like this. It's a bit different than that, but yeah, that's how it looks like. So guys, now let's go to the another like kind of useful website, which I thought, all right, so this website is actually like which is used for, wait, I'll just show you guys. It is called, so this website is called prnt.sc slash, you'll have to put rt over here and just put any random numbers, and it will show you the screenshots which have been captured by the user who are using this application called Lightshot. Okay, so that's a screenshot tool. Whatever screenshot you capture from that is going to their website, so anybody can view that. So I prefer, please do not download any screenshot websites, as like it's gonna be dangerous, like all your data will be stolen, so do not use it. So if I just go you just put rt and like um I will find like some screenshots, some random screenshots. I just have blurred it, so like yeah, we have gone to the four websites. Let's go to the last website, which is it's paper.io. So this also I recommend to play it on a computer. So basically what's this game gonna do is, I'm sure you guys have like heard about this game called paper.io. It had been very famous on Play Store, whereas now you can play it online as well without installing it. Oh, I don't know why is it showing like this. Yeah, so here you can see create a party means you can just share the link with your friends. Here you'll find skins. If you click on skins, you'll find awesome skins, guys. You can see you will find rainbow. I like rainbow and the nyan cat. Okay, I'll just use rainbow, and let me close this. Say I had played this for few times, so you can see here the advantage in this one is you can see a red like circle over here. You can see over this side. Let me just go ahead and show you this one. This all right. So let me just close this. I may get out now. So the advantage is, if somebody comes to occupy your territory, you will easily get to know like which part it's going, and it will show you in red color like somebody is occupying your territory. Whereas in the game, you don't get that thing. So I really enjoyed playing this. Okay, so it's something like this. For a laptop or a computer, you can use WASD, arrow marks, and even your mouse cursor. I like to use mouse cursor. I had played it, so the mouse cursor work pretty well. Here I'm using my fingers. So here some guy had occupied my territory. If I occupy his territory, he will be able to see that yeah, this side it's being occupied, and it's something like that. Let's let's just go over here. I'm not a good gamer, of course, so let me just get out. If you just hit yourself, you are out. It'll show you the result, your score, your best score, time played, and how many players you killed. So guys, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. But before that, smash that subscribe button, and guys, please share this video. So yeah, it may be kind of helpful and stuff. So guys, that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next video.